Banana Rama. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are here at Lakeshore, and guess who am I with?
Don't guess.
Always. So yeah, we are here out cycling. That's our bike, and my bike's right there. We just made a stop. And do you have anything to say? Hello, Jamala.
Going on to Central Island journey, hopefully.
So our plan is to go to Center Island from here. It's like 1 hour ride, right? And over there we'll take a boat and then go to Center Island. But looking at our speed, I don't think it's gonna be possible.
It's all your fault, Yolanda.
Because
you're too slow.
yeah, I'm so unhealthy. That's why. So yeah, that's the thing. We're at Lakeshore Mimico right now, and I show you guys around. Okay, that's my bike and that's hers. And look at the view. Today's weather is really good. It's about 17 degrees. And so my outfit for the day is, I got my all white except for my tank top.
Accessories.
My accessories. Oh, so look at my pants. So what is this? It's all dirty now because of this thing. 지도. Did you hear the person saying helmet 가을란대요? 해봐봐. 봐봐 이거 CN 타월에. 근데 야마살을. 당치소. 근데 이거 stop 가서 니와라. Yeah, stop niwa. So 당치소 가서 심하시 그 가라. pedal 치라야. Oh my god. 단당 안 쓰려. 디 가리 슈팅 지서래 디 브릿지 디 famous 갈 호나 호 인스타 갈 호나 호래 야가 때문에 지어래요 언니 슈팅 지서 내가 때문에 또 니 망할 수 있으ring이야 야 oh my god exercise 혼내래 it's a therapy we need to do it more, you know. Yes please. Park Chile stand there. Look at the amount of people. 나가기도 하다 너는. lunchtime and our favorite pizza. She got veggies because of Sagadawale. We're here out at Harbourfront. This is Harbourfront, guys. See Harbourfront, Harbourfront, no. See? Harbourfront, that's the CN Tower.
My fish.
먼저 가져라, 나 가져라.
I don't know, you said you want
여기 강범마오지요래 on the area. That's called beaver tails. Beaver tails, so basically they have like they have like it's a puri doji kala chocolate hazelnut chocolate kara and kala banana dosh. Anyway, that's beaver tails. I'm gonna try. I've been wanting to try that one for so long. We were supposed to go to Center Island and take the water taxi here, but our plan got changed because it's quite late now. It's almost 4:30 when we reached here, the bus. So we changed our mind. And now we sat at the harbor front, and now we're gonna grab some of the beaver tails here. Beaver tails, and look at the lineup, man. Okay, we're gonna stay line up the Emba. Shoot, not much. Huh? The lineup. Hi. Can we get one of these? This one, banana ramen, and another one is cocoa vanilla.
Yep. What's your name for the order?
Tenzin. TENZIN. What's this one? Vanilla folks. Vanilla chocolate. Cookies and vanilla. And we have banana rama. It's basically hazelnut chocolate and banana on it. Looks yum. Ayo, tayo nga taong Israel dili dira. Sunset ta dili. Nima to. I don't know if you can see. So that's the end of the vlog. I'm gonna end the vlog here. Ani just enjoying the sunset with my friend again. We had a long ride from Mimico to Harbourfront. We sat there for some time, just like I showed you, and then we had pizza, and then we also had beaver tails that I showed you earlier, right? So we're back, and then we are halfway done. We just made a stop here and just enjoying the view, and we'll be heading home in some time. I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. It was a fun day today, and I honestly loved biking. So yeah, if you have not subscribed to my channel, do subscribe to my channel. I will make sure to upload my videos quite often. I'll be punctual. But I do have a lot going on, so if I cannot post video, just don't mind me. And yeah, take care, stay safe, peace out.